Today we're going to talk about eighth notes. There are 2 eighth notes inside of each quarter note. When we are counting eighth notes, we put the number on the first part of the eighth note and the and on the second part. Our foot continues to tap the same way. It always goes down on the number, up on the and. Down on the number, up on the and. Let's look at line A. We have 4 beats in a measure. Our counting is still the same, using 1 and, 2 and, 3 and, 4 and for each measure. Again, the number on the first part and on the second part, number and, number and, number and. Continues exactly the same in the second measure. As we're tapping our foot, again, our foot goes down on the number, up on the and, down on the number, up on the and, down on the number, up on the and, down on the number, up on the and. And again, continuing exactly the same in the second measure. When we play eighth notes, we have to make a sound on our instrument when our foot goes down, as well as when our foot goes up. It will sound like this. Rhythm line A. In the next part of the video, we will watch our foot move up and down as I count out loud. Stay tuned for part 2. Welcome back. Now we are going to look at part 2. Winning rhythms, number 3, line A, with our feet moving up and down. Remember that when we go to start, you're going to take a breath. When you breathe, your foot will go up. Our foot will continue to move down on the numbers and up on the ands, just like it always does. I will count off. 1 and 2 and. Take a breath. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Notice our foot moved nice and smoothly, down on the numbers, up on the ands. We made sound when our foot went down and when our foot went up. Remember, if you have any questions, always ask your band director.